Okay, I wanted to ask about the big explosion that took place in Plantation. And again, not too far from where I live. Plantation is where I go to get my car license renewed. My car plates renewed is in Plantation. So, again, very close to where I'm at, although I have never been to that shopping center where they had the explosion. But I asked the cards if it was an accident or if it was, intentional. And this is what I got. Okay, these are the cards I got. So I'm taking this to be that it was an act of God, aka, an accident that happened, and there will be some loss. This is going to hit some people pretty hard. So let's see if there's anything else it's going to give us on that. Oh, maybe some deaths. There are, I think they said there was like one death, but it looks like there will be a few more, possibly a few more as well. What is that? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe it's somebody, the deaths might be of a bit younger person, it looks like, possibly. Yeah, it looks like maybe somebody, I don't know, teenager, 20s, something like that. I don't know. So we'll have to see. I don't know. I keep getting on here. It feels like, and I hope I'm wrong, like toys or something. So maybe a younger child as well. Hopefully, I'm wrong about that. But anyway, it looks like there may be a few that die. Okay. So I'm going to leave this here. We'll see if the cards are right or wrong. Hopefully it's wrong and there aren't any deaths. And hopefully it's right that it wasn't a terrorist, but it was an accident, a leak of some sort that happened. And yeah, a leak. So I'm going to leave this here. I think this is just well, yeah, I'm not going to say anymore. I'm just going to leave it here. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. Aho.